Skyports has officially announced Australia's first electric air taxi vertiport, marking a significant leap forward in urban air mobility. Designed by Contreras Rural Architecture, this modular vertiport concept is engineered for global deployment, providing a scalable and adaptable solution for future air transportation. Just a week after unveiling plans to establish the country's first network of air taxi terminals in Melbourne, Skyports has also introduced a comprehensive database designed to assess and categorize potential locations for urban air mobility, UAM, infrastructure worldwide. The company made this major announcement during the Global Air Taxi Congress in Istanbul, Turkey, where it also opened its property partner database. This initiative invites registrations from potential vertiport locations globally, allowing businesses and property owners to participate in shaping the future of air mobility. According to Skyports, the design of these vertiports was developed with critical input from Arup and 270 Aviation, ensuring a seamless blend of functionality, sustainability, and aesthetics. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of this project is the modular construction of the vertiports. These stunning sculptural buildings are designed for easy deployment, with components compactly packed into shipping containers, allowing them to be installed virtually anywhere in the world. As the demand for electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft continues to grow, Skyports' vision represents a major step toward integrating air taxis into everyday urban transport, making fast, efficient, and eco-friendly travel more accessible than ever. Dubai's futuristic vision for 2030 takes a bold step towards solving one of its biggest environmental challenges: sandstorms and dust. Kalbod Studio has unveiled an innovative architectural solution: sandstorm-absorbent skyscrapers designed to mitigate the impact of frequent dust storms that disrupt daily life in the UAE. Anyone who has spent time in Dubai, particularly during spring and summer, is familiar with the city's tropical desert climate and the massive sandstorms that can bring urban activity to a standstill. These storms not only affect visibility and mobility, but also pose significant health risks, contributing to respiratory issues and environmental pollution that threaten both human well-being and the region's fragile ecosystem. Dubai is known for its embrace of futuristic and functional design, especially when it comes to skyscrapers that redefine architecture. Recognizing the need for a sustainable solution, Kalbod Architecture Studio has studied the natural behavior of desert landscapes and proposed a groundbreaking architectural concept. By integrating advanced filtration technologies into tall structures, these skyscrapers can absorb dust and sand, purify the air, and minimize disruptions caused by sandstorms. This visionary project represents a fusion of creativity, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology, reinforcing Dubai's commitment to urban innovation. If realized, these skyscrapers could set a new global standard for architecture that not only adapts to the natural environment, but also actively improves it. Dubai Healthcare City is an innovative architectural concept designed by Kalbod Studio, envisioned as a futuristic, multifunctional complex with a primary focus on medical services. The project, known as Ring Island Dubai, integrates cutting-edge digital technologies, sustainable architecture, and a deep understanding of the region's geographic and social conditions. The design reflects a forward-thinking approach, ensuring that the healthcare city meets the evolving needs of Dubai while maintaining cultural and environmental harmony. Every aspect of its planning has been carefully considered, from ideation to execution, resulting in a highly advanced and efficient urban space. Access to the island is designed to be seamless and environmentally friendly. Instead of conventional roadways, transportation will rely on advanced underwater transit systems, such as monorails and electric vehicles. Strategically placed stations will ensure convenient mobility across different parts of the island. To enhance pedestrian accessibility, the entrance to the island is located underground, completely restricting conventional cars from entering. This innovative design prioritizes walkability and sustainability, reducing congestion and promoting a healthier urban environment. The architectural layout features a crescent-shaped site plan, symbolizing Dubai's regional heritage, the iconic geometry of the Burj Al Arab, and Islamic cultural elements such as the lunar calendar. Additionally, a fusion of parametric forms and intricate Islamic geometric patterns has been incorporated into the design grid of the site, particularly in its elevated structures. This unique blend of modern and traditional influences transforms Dubai Healthcare City into a visionary project, setting new benchmarks for medical and urban development in the region. Lunar, a visionary landmark proposed by Snuheta, represents the data era in the rapidly evolving landscape of Shenzhen's Qianhai Bay. Designed for an international competition for the Qianhai New City Center, this architectural marvel secured second place, standing alongside So Fujimoto's floating tower. The project is a tribute to Shenzhen's pioneering spirit, seamlessly blending its maritime heritage with its technological aspirations. The design philosophy of Lunar challenges the very notion of a landmark. Does a landmark simply mark the land, or does it signify an era? Snuheta explores this idea through a structure that serves as a symbol of innovation, deeply rooted in its historical and environmental context. A true product of its time, the landmark not only stands as an architectural masterpiece, but also embodies the technological advancements defining the modern world. Inspired by the remnants of a vessel, Lunar is envisioned as a transmitter of data, connecting Shenzhen to the global digital network. Its futuristic design and functional significance make it more than just a visual spectacle. It is a testament to the city's evolution, symbolizing the fusion of past and future in an era driven by data and connectivity. The iconic villa, designed by Zubaida Ahmad, is a visionary architectural concept set in a futuristic world where everyday life has been transformed by advanced transportation technologies. Covering an area of 2,000 square meters, this villa reimagines the way people live, interact, and travel in an era where traditional road-based vehicles no longer exist. Instead, movement is dominated by hovercrafts, flying planes, and even teleportation systems, making land-based transportation obsolete. This futuristic residence is uniquely designed to be accessed exclusively by aerial transport, reflecting the evolving dynamics of human civilization. It envisions a world where people no longer rely on conventional cars, but instead navigate through cities using hovercrafts, advanced flying machines, and even theoretical concepts such as time travel and teleportation. The structure itself is a masterpiece of futuristic design, characterized by sleek, dynamic lines and a monochromatic aesthetic that embodies motion, speed, and technological advancement. The iconic villa is more than just a residential space. It represents a bold architectural statement about the future of urban living. As humanity progresses toward a more technologically integrated lifestyle, concepts like this pave the way for new age designs that seamlessly blend functionality, aesthetics, and innovation, shaping the skyline of the next century. Architecture studio Abibu has unveiled an ambitious concept for a self-sustaining city on Mars named Nuwa, which is envisioned to be constructed by 2054. Designed for the non-profit organization the Mars Society, this futuristic settlement aims to become the first permanent human habitat on the Red Planet. Unlike traditional Earth-based cities, Nuwa's unique architectural design places the settlement within the side of a cliff, offering protection from harsh Martian conditions, including radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations. The city is planned to accommodate up to 250,000 residents, relying entirely on resources available on Mars to ensure long-term sustainability. Alfredo Munoz, the founder of Abibu, strongly believes that large-scale, permanent human habitats on Mars could become a reality within this century. He argues that the Red Planet may actually offer better opportunities for colonization than the Moon. While lunar settlements face significant challenges due to the lack of essential resources, such as water and critical minerals, Mars provides a more viable environment for self-sufficient living. The presence of essential elements, including water ice, minerals, and carbon dioxide, makes it possible to create habitats, generate food, and sustain life without constant reliance on supplies from Earth. The Nuwa project represents a major step toward humanity's goal of interplanetary living. If realized, it will serve as a model for future space colonization, pushing the boundaries of architecture, technology, and human adaptability in extreme environments. The metaverse is revolutionizing the way people connect, communicate, and experience digital environments, opening up new possibilities for exhibitions and virtual showcases. A metaverse exhibition is an immersive event that takes place in a digital space, blending elements of the physical and virtual worlds. Unlike traditional exhibitions, these virtual experiences allow participants to explore, interact with, and engage with various displays from anywhere in the world. Within the Metaverse exhibition space, attendees can discover a wide range of virtual exhibits, including artwork, innovative products, multimedia presentations, and fully interactive installations. These digital showcases can replicate real-world objects or feature entirely new creations designed specifically for the virtual realm. This transformation of exhibitions enables global accessibility, allowing creators, artists, and designers to reach audiences beyond physical limitations. One of the most groundbreaking ventures in this domain is Metrotopia, a virtual communication hub for the global design community. Launched on June 6, 2023 by Zaha Hadid Architects in collaboration with Chicago-based Arch Agenda, Metrotopia is designed to serve as a dynamic space where designers, architects, and visionaries can interact, collaborate, and share their work in a fully immersive environment. This initiative exemplifies how the metaverse is not only reshaping communication, but also redefining creative expression and innovation on a global scale. The PERISCOPE Space Enhancer, designed by architects Clearhout van Beervliet, is an innovative blend of spatial transformation and energy storage. Created for the Metamorphic Art Studio, this visionary project explores reality displacement, seamlessly merging enhanced living spaces with cutting-edge energy storage solutions. This unique concept, crafted by architect Sevre Clearhout, engineer-architect Barbara van Beervliet, and artist Adrian Clearhout, delves into the potential of periscope-inspired architecture. The design functions as a gravity battery, harnessing gravitational forces to store and distribute energy efficiently. Beyond its functional aspects, the Periscope Space Enhancer is also an artistic statement, challenging perceptions of space, movement, and energy. By reimagining traditional architectural forms, it presents a sustainable future where buildings serve dual purposes, enhancing aesthetic and spatial experiences while acting as energy-efficient systems. This fusion of architecture, engineering, and art highlights the evolving role of structures in urban environments, making the Periscope Space Enhancer a pioneering vision of the future of adaptive architecture. The future of healthcare in Qatar is taking a transformative leap with the Daayan Health District in Doha, a groundbreaking project designed by OMA and Boro Apple. Led by Renu de Graaf, this futuristic healthcare hub redefines hospital infrastructure by integrating modularity, prefabrication, and automation to keep pace with rapid advancements in medical science. Situated on a vast, 1.3 million square meters of untouched land between Qatar University and Lusail City, the Daayan Health District is strategically positioned to serve as a next-generation medical hub. The project emphasizes efficiency, accessibility, and sustainability, ensuring that high-priority healthcare services are readily available. At its core, the design features cross-shaped modular units that are prefabricated on-site, significantly reducing construction time and costs while enhancing sustainability. The health district will also prioritize self-sufficiency, incorporating a local high-tech farm to supply fresh food and medicinal plants. Additionally, a large-scale solar farm will generate renewable energy, allowing the entire district to operate autonomously, minimizing its carbon footprint. By merging innovative architecture with medical advancements, this futuristic healthcare facility is set to redefine hospital design, making healthcare more efficient, eco-friendly, and adaptable to future needs. The Mukaab is an extraordinary cube-shaped city designed to redefine urban living with futuristic innovations. This massive architectural marvel is set to be one of the most ambitious projects in the world, with its sheer scale equivalent to 20 Empire State Buildings. It is not just a towering structure, but a fully immersive experience that integrates cutting-edge technology, offering features such as racetracks for flying cars and virtual environments that simulate visits to distant planets. This visionary project is being developed in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, as part of the larger New Murabba initiative, a development aimed at expanding the capital's urban landscape to accommodate around 350,000 residents across an area of 4,695 acres. Standing at an impressive height of 1,312 feet, the Mukaab will serve multiple purposes, blending residential spaces, luxury hotels, modern office areas, and open-air parks with pedestrian-friendly walkways. The interior of this futuristic structure will be equipped with advanced holographic projections, allowing visitors to step into hyper-realistic virtual worlds where they can experience life on other planets or interact with larger-than-life digital environments. As Saudi Arabia pushes the boundaries of innovation, the Mukaab promises to become a landmark of the future, offering a glimpse into a world where technology and architecture merge seamlessly. The VARUNA Hotel in Tulum, Mexico, designed by Porter Newman Arquitectos and Pacte Tulum, is an architectural masterpiece that embodies the harmonious fusion of nature and modern living. Inspired by Varuna, the Hindu god of water and rain, this project reflects the importance of balance between the natural environment and human development. Spanning 6.5 hectares along the pristine beaches of Tulum, this mixed-use residential and commercial project seamlessly integrates with the surrounding dense jungle, ensuring that nature remains a central element of its design. The landscape is not merely an aesthetic feature, but a fundamental part of the project's identity, fostering a deep connection between the built environment and its natural surroundings. Residences within the complex are organically distributed, blending effortlessly with the terrain as if they were naturally part of the lush ecosystem. The design philosophy extends to its luxurious amenities, which include a gym, yoga room, spa, bar lounge, business center, and conference spaces, all crafted to promote reflection, learning, and spiritual well-being. This project is more than just a resort. It is a statement of sustainability and mindful living, offering a sanctuary where architecture and nature coexist in perfect harmony.